Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to get proof of payments on FNB mobile banking app. So guys, the first step, log in into your account on app. After that guys, on the top left corner on the screen, tap on the hamburger menu as you can see here. And after that guys, tap on the payment option and click on payment here. After that guys, click on payment history. As you can see here, the payment history, and find the recipient that you paid guys from here. And after that, what you have to do, do not tap on the recipient, tap the orange arrow right on the recipient. You find the amount arrow orange and tap here send proof. After that guys, send your email, insert your email and cell phone number, and tap on send bottom right of the screen, and tap on the send button right of the screen, and you will proof payment you will be sent to the provided details as a PDF file. This is how you can do guys. I have this video for you. See you on another video soon.